Hello, welcome back to my channel, my burger channel, folks. Today we make a very different kind of burger. It's a little bit fancy. It's an Italian burger. So we will need all these ingredients. I will bell pepper, red or orange or yellow. Zucchetti. You could add aubergine also. The burger bun, pesto, and I was one time again a lazy boy. I could make it myself. Okay, pepper. It's the Italian burger. We'll take good Italian olive oil. Here, basil, the burger patties, and mozzarella. You could go normal mozzarella like I go now, or you could take mozzarella al bufala to make it more fancy, huh? So we cut it a little bit of the bell pepper out. Be sure that you don't get the seeds. I cut it in long pieces, the zucchetti, and I will transfer it over here. That's of course the pan with the Italian olive oil. You can give them a very little pepper. And we will saute them for some minutes. Next would be to make the burger patties. I have here once again my favorite pan, the cast iron pan. 1 second. That's different today. We will need first to make it like that. After it will go the mozzarella on top and in the oven. So I will show you later, huh? Vale. So when we have the meat, we will, sorry, I will take this one. Leave it to drop a little bit the oil away, or you could put it on a towel, like a kitchen paper. So we have it now here. Remove the excess grease or oil, and we will go with mozzarella. I have now the normal mozzarella. Like I told you, you can use the bufala mozzarella. Huh? I will go 2.5. Depends on your body size, huh? I have also the vegetables. We must drain them after. If not, they're too soggy and it will make a mess. 1 second. Put them out. Okay, now we will go with no camera moment. The pesto is for the finish. It's again a tricky stuff to buy basil. Sometimes they're messed up. We'll try to choose a bit nicer ones. Hey. Okay, we'll go with 2 leaves like that. Top. And now I will put it like that into the preheated oven for like 5-7 minutes maximum. I would go, huh? So that you can choose how much you want it to melt. If you want lightly melt, then less. But well. So now we took it off the oven. Ouch! I touched it incorrectly. Okay, like that it would be. If you prefer to put the basil after the oven, you could also put it after the oven. Huh? I will put it a little bit here that it drains a little bit more. The vegetables, I put them like that they to remove them a little bit the excess fat. Well, it was very fine Italian olive oil, so I don't want to offend the Italians that say that that's fat, the Italian olive oil. It's, excuse me. Okay, so for the sauce, we go like that. Go with pesto alla genovese. Oh, I put too much. Sorry. We go. You can leave it out or whatever you want. You could perfectly also put some basilicum or Italian seasoning and powder. It would also go, no? But I'm more fan of the fresh aroma. Okay. Now take our burger patty. Here. Oops. Don't escape. Don't escape here. Perfect. So now it depends. If you like a little bit more sharpness, put more red peppers. If you like it more milder, put more greens. Of course, you could go also with tomato, but the problem is it will get like too soggy, and you will have like a red mozzarella suddenly, huh? And well, I wanted to make something like more healthy stuff. So now on the top bun, it depends. You could add again pesto, or you could put ketchup, but well, it would not be so Italian. It would be Americanized burger. So I will go with very little pesto still, huh? So. And by the way, that's a burger. I saw some Italian burgers on YouTube, but that's fully my recipe now. It's well, it's a little bit similar that one I saw, but I modify it a little bit, so it's my new. Thank you for watching, and I will appreciate any new subscribers or any likes. So. Bye, guys. Thanks.